Martin, Martin.
No, your turn. Okay.
Martin.
Okay.
Cheese.
Mamaya na ka, mamaya.
Papa.
Bakit anak? Oh, kita mo kung gaano ka kagaling mag-bike anak.
No.
Sige na.
No.
Sige na.
Kiss first.
Ha?
I see the mail with his mother.
Oh, sige. Check for the mail anak. Check mo yung mail natin.
What's here?
Mahulog ka dyan.
What?
Mahulog ka.
Papa, I see.
Ha?
I see.
Okay. Later anak, later. Mag-drive ka na ng bike mo. Ay, tricycle mo.
Where's the rider, Papa?
Ha?
Where's the rider go?
I don't know.
Where is it? Happy rider?
Uh-huh. Ano yun anak? Ha? Ano yun? Ano yun? Where's mama? Huh? Where's mama? Where? Where? Where's your mama anak? Where? Noah, come here. Punta natin si Kuya. Come here, anak. Slow down. Not too fast. Wala na, nag-fly na, na? Ha? Nag-fly na? Ha? No, that's the string of the balloon. Come here.
This string, Papa. A drop rope.
Ha? Ah, jump rope. Okay. Hindi naman pwedeng pang jump rope yan eh.
It's not the jump rope.
It's not.
What is this? This balloon string.
Balloon string.
A balloon string. A balloon string. Here. What's here?
How about you, Jack?
What's here?
Where's your balloon?
What's here? What's here?
Oh, not there. Nakakainin ni Jackie yan.
What's here? The wheels is.
Ha? Kakainin ni Jackie yan.
I know it's here. What's here? I know it's here.
Don't eat that. That's not food, Jack.
It's not food.
That's not food.
That's string.
That's what?
That's string.
String.
I'll put it in bicycle.
What you doing?
I want to put it in string out. What's my gonna get here?
Mas stuck yung kon mo niyan, yung bike mo. Jackie. What are you doing? Huh? Where's mama? Say bye, mama. Say bye.
Bye, Noah. Bye, Taos.
Parinig mo yung kano. Sige. Okay. Bye, Kuya.
Bye,
Come on. Come on. Let's go get some pebbles.
What?
Pebbles.
Papa. Oh, no.
Now over here, over here. Down the road. Come on.
Down the road? What kind of wood? This is the wood, Papa.
Hmm?
This is the wood.
That's too far, anak.
This one.
Mhm. That's too far, anak. That's too far. Okay. Turn back. Come back, anak. Uh-oh. Yung dog.
The road, Papa.
Ha?
Let's go to the road to the store.
Ah, maraming cars doon, anak eh. Maraming car doon.
I want to go stop.
Ha?
I want to go stop the tree here. No. Don't on the tree.
Hmm? Mag-climb ka ng tree?
No.
Okay.
Let's ask.
Come on, let's go. Let's go this way. Come on.
I want paddles.
Hmm?
I want paddles, Papa. That's right there. The road.
Sa road?
Mm-hmm.
We're not supposed to go to the road, anak. Maraming cars dyan. You wanna go get some pebbles? How about there?
Okay.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Let's go to the slippery.
Okay, go.
That's that. The green.
Wait for us, anak. Careful. Slow down.
With the weather. Uh-oh, that's no more. What's he?
What's that?
There's no more water.
No more water?
Milk.
Huh?
No milk. No milk. It's milk. It's going to milk.
Hindi na, anak.
It's milk.
Nag-evaporate na, anak.
It's watery.
Evaporate. Evaporate na yung puddle. No more puddles.
The speak stones are the big. The speak. Speak with a big one. That's
Oh, no. Tatabaan ka nun, anak. Ma-hurt ikaw.
Where to throw it? I want to throw it. Papa.
Okay, over there. Not here.
Let's spin this four stones.
Mhm.
How about spin on more?
Okay, where are you gonna put that?
Right here? Oh, there.
Mhm.
Be careful the tree.
Oh, come on. Mafi-finish na to. Mag-say bye-bye ka na kay tito. Mga titos mo. Tsaka titas. Tsaka kay grandma. Tsaka kay grandpas. Come on. Say bye-bye. Say take care. Love you.
Bye-bye.
Come on. Sabi mo ah. Say take care.
Take care.
I love you.
I love you.
God bless you.
Bless you.
You miss Mama?
I miss Mama.
I miss Mama too.
Is she here?
Huh?
Is she?
How about you, Jack?
This is on here.
Okay, bye-bye.